Buckle up, Buttercup, the Donald's back. Well, folks, it looks like the man with the spray tan and an ego bigger than his proposed border wall will be moving back into the White House. Yes, you heard that right. The political landscape is about to get a lot more interesting. That's right, Donald J. Trump is eyeing a return to the Oval Office. The man who never shies away from controversy is gearing up for another run. And while we all might be stocking up on popcorn for the inevitable political circus, there's a more pressing question we need to ask. What will this mean for the future of our country? What will a second Trump presidency mean for your wallet? Will it be a financial windfall or a fiscal nightmare? Will we see a repeat of the economic highs and lows of his first term? The stock market's wild swings, the tax cuts, the trade wars? Or are we in for a whole new roller coaster ride of economic policies? New challenges, new strategies, and new uncertainties? Fasten your seatbelts, America, because it's going to be a bumpy ride. The next chapter in American politics is about to unfold. Remember the Trump economy? It was a time of record stock market highs, but also soaring deficits and trade wars. Unemployment dipped, but wages for many Americans remained stagnant. Was it a boom? Was it a bust? Honestly, it depends on who you ask and which economic indicator you prioritize. One thing's for sure, though. Trump's economic policies were anything but boring. He slashed taxes, primarily benefiting corporations and wealthy individuals. He imposed tariffs on goods from China, sparking a trade war that hurt American businesses and consumers. And he rolled back regulations, which may have pleased some industries, but raised concerns about environmental protection and consumer safety. LOL. Let's talk about those tariffs for a second. Remember when Trump slapped tariffs on Chinese goods, promising it would bring back American manufacturing jobs and punish China for unfair trade practices? Yeah, about that. Turns out, tariffs are like trying to fix a leaky faucet with a hammer. You might stop the drip for a minute, but you'll probably end up causing more damage in the long run. American businesses and consumers ended up footing the bill for those tariffs, paying higher prices for everything from washing machines to soybeans. And while some manufacturing jobs did return to the US, many more were lost due to the trade war's negative impact on the global economy. Oops. Now let's talk about everyone's favorite topic, inflation. Prices are already sky high, and a potential Trump return has some economists sweating bullets. See, Trump's a fan of tax cuts and deregulation policies that can stimulate the economy in the short term, but also lead to inflation if not carefully managed. Will Trump 2.0 mean even more money printing and a weaker dollar? Will your morning coffee cost $10 a cup? Will you have to take out a second mortgage just to afford a gallon of gas? Only time will tell, but one thing's for sure. If you're a fan of economic stability, a second Trump presidency might have you reaching for the antacids. Tax cuts for who? Get ready for another round of trickle-down economics. Remember those tax cuts Trump enacted in 2017? They were touted as a major win for the American economy. Yeah, the ones that were supposed to pay for themselves, but instead added trillions to the national debt. Critics were quick to point out the growing deficit. Well, get ready for round two. The debate is heating up once again. Trump has hinted that he'd push for even more tax cuts if he returns to office, suggesting that this move would stimulate economic growth. He argues that it would boost the economy and put more money in Americans' pockets, making life easier for everyday citizens. But critics argue that these tax cuts would primarily benefit the wealthy and corporations, leaving the middle and lower classes behind. They believe that while the rich get richer, the average American sees little to no benefit from these policies. They point out that the 2017 tax cuts largely failed to deliver on their promises of economic growth and job creation, with many small businesses still struggling. Will this time be different? Can we expect a new outcome from the same old strategy? Or will it be another case of trickle-down economics that leaves the middle class high and dry, struggling to make ends meet while the wealthy thrive? Consumer confidence and Trump. Will you be spending like a billionaire or scrimping like the rest of us? Consumer confidence is a funny thing. It's a barometer of how people feel about the economy and their own financial futures. It's all about how optimistic people feel about the economy and their own financial futures. When people are feeling good, they spend more, businesses thrive, and the economy grows. When people are feeling good, they spend more, businesses thrive, and the economy grows. This creates a positive feedback loop. where spending leads to more jobs and higher incomes. But when confidence takes a hit, people tighten their belts, businesses suffer, and the economy can slow down. This can lead to a negative cycle where reduced spending leads to job losses and lower incomes. So what does this mean for a potential second Trump term? Well, it's complicated. The impact on consumer confidence could go either way. Some people might feel more confident with Trump back at the helm, believing he can recreate the economic conditions of his first term. They might expect tax cuts and deregulation to boost the economy. Others might be more apprehensive, worried about his unpredictable nature and the potential for economic instability. They might fear trade wars and political turmoil. Which camp will prevail? Only time will tell. Expert opinions. What the financial gurus predict about a second Trump term. We've heard a lot from politicians and pundits, but what do the actual experts say? Well, the truth is, economists are divided on the potential impact of a second Trump presidency. Some believe his policies would lead to economic growth, while others predict disaster. Some economists argue that Trump's focus on deregulation and tax cuts could lead to a surge in business investment and economic growth. Others warn that his protectionist trade policies and disregard for the national debt could trigger a recession. The reality is, predicting the future is a fool's errand, especially when it comes to something as complex as the global economy. The bottom line, what does it all mean for your wallet? So there you have it, folks. The potential economic impact of a second Trump presidency is shrouded in uncertainty. Will it be a boom, a bust, a bizarre mix of both? Only time will tell. But one thing's for sure, with Trump back in the White House, things are bound to get interesting. The truth is, no one can say for sure what the future holds. But by staying informed, engaging in thoughtful discussion, and maybe keeping a close eye on your 401k, you can weather whatever economic storms may lie ahead. Comment below what you think about Trump in office again. If you liked this video, like, share, and subscribe.